Insert the pin header of the head tracker data link into the expansion port of the head tracker. Make sure the data link module is installed on the head tracker following the direction shown as below. Otherwise, the equipment may be damaged and may not work properly. Press once to check the battery level. Press once and press again and hold for 2 seconds to turn on or off. Press and hold the linking buttons of the data link module and the integrated base plate until both linking statue indicators are quickly blinking, which means the data link system is in linking statue. Linking statue indicators being shadowed on indicates linking success. Linking statue indicators slowly blinking indicates data link system is disconnected. Make sure there is no other transmitting devices in the same frequency. Band is working around in the surrounding area. Press and hold the mode switching button for 2 seconds in a connected state to initialize the attitude of the head tracker. The attitude of the goggles corresponds to the 0 position of the gimbal. Attitude initialization is required before each using. Press the mode switching button once in a connected state to switch the operating mode of the gimbal. All 3 axes follow the movement of the carrier with eliminating slight shaking. Both the roll and yaw axes follow the movement of the carrier with eliminating slight shaking. Only the yaw axis follows the movement of the carrier with eliminating slight shaking. Press the sensitivity plus/minus button once to increase, reduce the gimbal sensitivity by 1 notch, 11 notches in total. Press and hold the sensitivity plus/minus button for 2 seconds to increase, reduce the gimbal sensitivity to maximum, minimum.